Good morning. Welcome to the Ridgway world. We got another Amazon delivery, and this time it's not for me because I have no idea what it is. But I went to move it, and I can't move it. So, Jeffrey must have ordered something. Let me show you how big this box is. I have no idea what that means. Zinus, or maybe it's an S. I don't know. But anyway, it's too heavy. And I'm expecting a food delivery today, so it's got to be moved. Jeffrey!
What?
Well, you were right around the corner, weren't you? Didn't you hear the Amazon truck coming?
Yeah, it wasn't no big deal. Why?
Huh? Why? I need this moved because they're going to be delivering food. What did you get? What is it?
What's it look like to you?
I don't know. Is it something for the tractor?
Let's do a little flashback, young lady. Remember in Virginia 2 weeks ago when you had the best sleep of your life? You woke up the first night or the first morning and said, "Oh my God, my backache and my leg and my hip and everything felt so much better." Do you remember that? Then the second night, "Oh my God, I just love how I feel when I wake up off this mattress." Remember? Remember you said that?
So you're telling me that this is a mattress?
I'm saying after we tore the sheets off the bed at that place and I found out it was a Zinus, I think it's called a Tea Party, I ordered one. And this
is a mattress in this box.
There's supposed to be a mattress in here.
A king-size mattress.
Well, yeah, it's supposed to be in here. It says it's all vacuum sealed into this box, supposedly. I read all the reviews on it, and the oddity of this mattress is it's supposed to be a really good, high-quality mattress, but because of Amazon or Walmart, wherever you get it, was $344. $344 for a king-size mattress. So, did that make you feel better?
Well, yeah, but that's awfully inexpensive for a mattress.
I know.
A good quality mattress that's in a box.
I agree, but you slept on it, so you know that it felt good. So this is supposedly the same one, or the same. Yeah, the same. It is the same one.
Okay.
So
this is a surprise. Then this is the exact. You know, I should have figured. I thought it said Zinus, and it did say.
And you thought that I had a Zinus problem?
No, I wasn't sure because it looks kind of like that was an upside down U, like maybe it was a symbol or something.
Oh, but just think if this, and I'm not guaranteeing everything, but the reviews said it was good. We slept on it, said it was good, and in comparison to the Satfo we ordered, what? 8-9 years ago that cost us like $1,700.
That's what I'm saying.
And it was lumpy, and it has things even after flipping it, turning it. So if we get 3 years of quality sleep out of this, we should be good.
But here's the thing. If you open this,
yeah,
and it becomes a big mattress, and all of a sudden we know that this is not the mattress from Virginia, the same mattress that we slept in, how the hell are you going to get it back in the box?
There's no way in heck I'm going to get it. I can't even guarantee it's in this box. They say it comes like this, but that's a lot of mattress to be sick of, because this is a 12-incher, you know?
Well, it's extremely heavy. How much does that weigh? Look, does it say how much?
Whoa, Team Lift. It says Team Lift, extra large.
Oh, so you need my help?
No, I can't. 91 pounds.
That is extremely heavy.
Right. And since I'm getting older, I said we're going to have to shimmy shake this.
I need it moved. They're coming with the food at 2 o'clock.
Right. Okay. Yeah, okay. I didn't think anything was that big of a deal. I was out.
Well, it's not a big deal. It's just I was surprised. I couldn't move it, and I guess I could have shimmied it over here.
I should have told you. I should have told you. But here's my thought. It's like a surprise. It's like Christmas Day when you get a new mattress.
I get that.
It's almost like you want to go take a nap after you get it.
Well, seeing will be believing.
And I agree. I could be totally wrong. I could be I'll change it. We could be out $344. But
right, because you're not going to be able to ship it back.
No, I don't even know. I don't know. I don't know how you would even do it. Even though it's Amazon, what do they come up? You roll it up in a ball and put a rope around it?
I don't know. But can you bring it in the house?
Yeah, I can move it. Sure. It's like rolling 55-gallon drums.
Well, see, I could probably do that.
Why would you? But I'm hoping, this is what I was hoping, since you had such good sleep when we were in Virginia, that you'll have good sleep again. Because
You had good sleep too, and you must have really loved the mattress in order to.
But I'd rather, since I bought it and didn't tell you, I'd rather say it's for you.
All right. I can't believe that has a mattress in there.
Right. I can't believe it either.
Tuna. He has a new mattress, honey.
Tuna and John have a new mattress too.
Yeah.
Where's Johnny? He must have got stuck somewhere.
I don't know.
I don't smell.
He didn't come outside, did he? You smell what?
I thought I smelled, oh, there he is. I thought I smelled poop.
Well, he's been breaking wind all morning. You okay, baby?
Just like his mother.
Say hello to the camera. No, well, then stay still.
All right, so I'm going to take it in there. It says 24 hours with all the stuff I read about it. It says 24 hours. After you get it out, you lay it out, and it's supposed to expand.
Okay.
I hope it doesn't expand like, you know.
Okay, yeah.
No, it's like, remember how in the shows they used to pull the cord on the rafts and you know, I'm hoping it's not like that.
Well,
but it's kind of exciting. It's like Christmas.
Yeah.
Christmas in September.
Is there enough room to lay that on the floor? This is a king size mattress.
Yeah,
I'm
or
just
two
having
twins.
a very hard
know.
time believing this.
Hey, buddy, move. Why you got my crock?
Give me that.
Well, yeah,
Give me it. Hey. See, you're still playful.
skeptical too, but
All right.
it says that it is, so 12-inch mattress. Look, right there on the box.
So you think it's gonna like pop open, like
I can't even,
like an inflatable?
I can't answer any of these quality.
Well, be careful when you cut it because, just in case they don't have any protection up at the top.
Careful when you cut it. What?
In case there's no protection for the
Well, I don't want to
mattress.
rip the seam first. It's like Christmas. Huh, that didn't even seem to put a dent in it, did it? Let's put it this way. Let's go top side. Hey, buddy.
You need to move on.
Yeah, this may be better. I'm probably going to be hurt because it said team lift. Okay, so for... Oh.
What?
Hand this to the responsible one. Oh, here you go. Let me give it to you.
All right, now wait a minute. Wait a minute. You need to read this.
No, I don't read crap. That was almost a basement mattress.
Hon, it has been under a lot of pressure recently and may lash out if not unwrapped carefully.
Well, I know. That's like anybody.
Wait a minute.
This could
wait a minute, because the dogs are laying right here.
I didn't take it out of the box or the plastic yet.
Here, open
And
this.
don't everybody that's under stress and things lash out?
Oh my goodness. Could you open this? I want to read it in its entirety.
That ruins the fun of it.
No, it doesn't, because I don't want that, hitting John or anything. He's very fragile. Look at them bones. Yeah, this you don't want to get
This
hit.
is a general certification of conformity. Please remove the packaging within 72 hours of receipt to make sure your mattress can grow to its full potential.
Okay.
Your mattress has been under a lot of
It
pressure
takes
recently.
72 hours?
That's what it says.
Okay.
Your mattress has been under a lot of pressure recently and may lash out if not unwrapped carefully. Please give her some space. Please allow 72 hours for your mattress to decompress.
Okay, that's what I'm saying.
Okay, so I did step 1 already. I rolled it out of the box. Step 2, carefully tear away the first packing material, either thin bag or plastic film. Do not use a knife. And then it says...
Do not use a knife, Jeffrey.
That was on this thing.
I get that. What are you supposed to use?
Nothing. You said tear.
Okay.
Tear. It says carefully tear away the first packaging. Roll out the compressed mattress onto a clean flat surface. Zipper side down. Oh, because remember the other one had that zipper.
I didn't inspect this other mattress. You did.
I know, but I'm just saying.
I didn't even look at
the
it.
other one had the zipper. That was the.
Okay, that was
Carefully
the
cut
protection.
open the clear. Ooh, yeah, carefully. I love carefully.
Jeffrey,
What?
I think you have to watch the dogs. You have to.
Yeah.
Do you see where they are?
Okay.
You're like a kid in a candy shop. You're
Yep.
not really paying
I'm
attention.
not that fond of candy, but yeah, I am.
That's gonna pop open right on the dogs.
Puppies, come on, get up. Get out. Tuna, get your ball. Thank you. John, just try to walk. Come on, get up. Get out. Come on, get in the other room. Come on. Come on, go. Get in the other room. Come on.
You might have to close the door.
Come on. John, come on, go. Tuna, get out. Here, take your ball.
You have to have patience with Johnny.
I do.
Well, your voice sounded a little like you're so excited about
I
this.
am. This is like a new thing, because if it gives you quality sleep.
Oh, Johnny's peeking through the door.
Hey, no, buddy. Sorry, buddy. Move, move. Come on, you.
Oh.
He's a good man.
I really wonder how this works.
Okay. Doesn't look like a king yet, does it?
No. And it doesn't look like it's going to be... Oh, it's moving.
Yeah, because it's zipper side down.
Oh, so this is like all vacuum packed. Like
Oh.
like how you do the meats and stuff? Yeah. Okay. I see it.
I see it.
I see it.
Wait for it. Wait for it. So that's the zipper side.
I should be helping you. Huh? Because 91 pounds is a lot. And he's getting old.
Okay. Step 2.
Wait a minute. Do I hear something? You hear it?
Yeah, it's sucking all the oxygen out of the room. Okay, step 3. Carefully cut open the clear bag along the edges.
Wait a minute. Can you guys hear that?
Oh, they said carefully, right?
Oh, this side is getting bigger already.
Yep.
You're going to be able to get all that plastic off in time?
It's just excited to see you, hon.
Yeah.
What are you supposed to do with the bottom half, though?
I don't know, but I guess...
I guess
What do you mean the bottom half? Of the plastic? I guess you can leave it on it, right? Is that the way you should be doing it?
That's the way.
That looks very haphazard.
Yeah, I know. I cut my leg twist on it.
They said do not use a knife.
Did they? That was on the box. Look at it. It's growing. It's alive!
So I gotta leave this on the floor for 72 hours. You think, like, you know, Johnny's gonna try to lay on it.
I thought it said 24 hours.
That said 72.
Huh?
You read it. It said 72.
No, I know it said 72, but I thought they,
Oh, you do have to take this off the corners.
Okay.
Yeah.
Slide it first.
Well, honestly, you know what? At $344, if it lasts us only 2 years, it's still worth it.
Yeah, because I think the sapper was 17. I remember we bought that Sealy Posturepedic when we bought this bedroom set, and that was like $2,000.
Yeah.
So, I mean, like I said, if we get 2 to 3 years out of it, that's worth it.
All right, puppies. You excited? You excited?
Why are they excited?
Huh? Well, they're going to be sleeping on it too.
Right. But I think they can sleep anywhere. So it's been roughly 72 hours.
Yeah.
We could have done it at 48 because I think the souffle had risen to where it's supposed to be, which is 12 inches. So we got the trusty measuring tape out of the Etsy shop, of course. So right now we have 11 and a half.
Oh, maybe we need to sit. Isn't it supposed to be 12?
It's supposed to be 12, but
Maybe we need to let it sit a little
that
longer?
says 12.
Oh.
That says 11 and a half. So the ends may have a little bit more. Let's look at that end. Oh, Tuna's got her ball. You're not playing ball on this. Yeah, it's roughly 12 on the ends and 11 and a
Okay.
half on the side, which I guess is good, but it said up to 72 hours to let it sit. So we've done that. We've got it to the point of where we're going to have to now transition this to there and this out of there. So, and you're feeling that, what are we going to do if we lay on this for 24 to 48 hours, 3 weeks, and we're not liking it?
Right.
So,
I
what do you
think we
think?
should hang on to the old mattress just in case.
Right. Well, which I can do. I said, well, we got that whole spot out there. I can lean it up against the hope chest,
Okay.
if that works for you, and then we'll use it for a bit, and then go from there.
Johnny wants to come up.
Johnny, this is going to be so comfortable you may sleep through the night again. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this, because we're enjoying this, because we're going to put the sheets and the pillowcases and everything on here, and I think we'll probably go to bed. What do you think?
Well,
After
I
dinner?
think when it gets dark.
So, all right, everybody. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day and a good life. Hopefully we enjoyed this.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.